Welcome to Ranked World. Today we're counting down the top 5 American food YouTube channels that every foodie should follow in 2025. From delicious recipes to unique culinary adventures, these channels have it all. Let's get started. Number 5. The Food Ranger. Our number 5 spot goes to the Food Ranger. This channel is all about exploring street food, not just in the US, but around the world. Trevor's energetic personality and adventurous spirit make every video exciting. With millions of subscribers, it's perfect for food lovers who want to experience authentic flavors from different cultures. Number 4. Nick DiGiovanni. At number 4, we have Nick DiGiovanni. Nick is one of the youngest and most creative chefs on YouTube. From easy-to-follow recipes to fun culinary experiments, his videos are both educational and entertaining. If you love cooking at home and learning new tricks, Nick's channel is a must-watch. Number 3. Joshua Weissman. Coming in at number 3 is Joshua Weissman. Joshua focuses on classic and creative recipes, teaching viewers how to make everything from scratch. His energetic style and step-by-step tutorials make cooking fun and accessible for everyone, from beginners to seasoned chefs. Number 2. America's Test Kitchen. Our number 2 spot goes to America's Test Kitchen. Known for professional and reliable recipes, this channel dives deep into food science and cooking techniques. Whether you're looking for foolproof recipes or detailed culinary explanations, America's Test Kitchen has it covered. Number 1. Binging with Babish. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is Binging with Babish. Babish recreates dishes from movies and TV shows with precision, creativity, and lots of entertainment. Millions of viewers love his style, making it one of the most popular food channels in America. From classic favorites to unique recipes, Babish inspires home cooks worldwide. So that's our list of the top 5 American food YouTube channels for 2025. Which one is your favorite? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to Ranked World for more top 5 and top 10 videos from around the globe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.